I got you. Welcome in.
As you can see, we just moved into our first apartment ever in Europe. Let's get it.
Let's go. It's so cool to say that though. Like our first apartment together and as individuals is in Portugal.
I know, that's wild. I feel like we came a long way, like as a relationship. Like we've been together since like I was 14, she was 13.
This has been like a goal of ours.
This has been a huge
forever.
goal. We've always been talking about like, imagine when we live together, blah, blah, blah. But now we're living together. Yeah.
Yeah, but now we're just gonna show you guys around the apartment. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And just know we're gonna be coming out with more videos now that we have the space to do more.
Yes, sir. So, MTV Cribs. What we got today?
Okay, so here's the bathroom. It's a little small, but it's a perfect size for 2 people. We obviously have all of our like essential stuff to get ready. Cute little sink, showers.
It came like this, by the way. We did not get purple. This is our favorite color too.
Yeah, and the shower is a perfect size.
Yep.
Love the tile. The tile is like so nice.
What the heck is this used for? They have this all in. They have this in every European bathroom.
Yeah, it's weird. We don't use it, so.
Yeah.
Got our stuff up here.
I'm pretty sure you use it to clean your shoes or something. I don't know.
He said shoes.
Yep. Hey, we gotta save electricity nowadays. We gotta turn off all the lights we ain't using. Boom, boom, boom. Forget that. So basically now right here we're walking into the living room / dining space. This is where we eat. We just ate some spaghetti here yesterday, which was very good. Rolls, first home cooked meal. So that was
Champagne.
Right here, we are going to be putting a massive TV. Psych, I wish. But I mean, we could get a TV, but we don't really need a TV. We have computers and everything, Netflix, so.
We'll probably put a Christmas tree there.
This is the nice little couch we got. Take our little naps here. Do whatever you want, lay down, chill.
We also have like storage shelves that we're probably gonna put little bins in to store like things that we need. And it came with a fan also because we don't have any like AC or heat, but it's all good. But obviously our bedroom is connected to the living room space.
Yep.
We have a nice size bed. It came with like little desks next to each side, which is really convenient for us both. And it also, the apartment came with a shoe rack. Very convenient also for us because it just keeps everything organized. I cannot stand when shoes are on the ground. Jay has a habit of that, but now that we have
No, I don't.
now that we have a shoe rack, he doesn't have that habit.
And we have the cabinet right here, which we're not gonna show y'all our closet. We have too much exclusive stuff in there, so.
And then yeah, it also came with the nice dresser.
They don't really have these. I mean, I haven't really seen anybody, like any houses with these in America. but these are basically like the blinds that they use. You can pull it up, you go all the way, and then you can close to total darkness. Watch this. Watch how dark it gets. Boom. And then watch if I turn off all the lights. Look how dark it gets. Oh. Another thing, if y'all decide to come to Europe, y'all gotta make sure that y'all have one of these, bro. This is not the regular charging port like in America. You got these little things, and you just gotta boom, boom, just like that. But let's go to the kitchen, where the magic happens. Okay. We have not an electric stove, but we have a gas stove. So I'm gonna show y'all how this works real quick. Where's the lighter? It's basically old school. So turn this a little bit to the left. You hear that? Boom.
Ooh.
Clean, huh? We got fruit, we got everything you need. Let's check the cat. We just got here a few days ago, so we don't got everything. We're coming, we gotta go back to the grocery store and get some snacks, but this is what we got so far. We're gonna have some tacos soon. Got spaghetti and all that. Then the fridge, we got a fridge. It's a little smaller than what you would have in America, but it does the job. We got a little bit of things in here.
Yeah.
But yeah, another thing that's crazy is that in Europe, they usually have their washing machines in the kitchen, which is crazy to me. I don't know how that happens, but you got a washing machine, and they don't really use dryers here. So once you're done washing, take one of these clothespins, come outside, hang them up, but she's gonna show you outside. Outside we go.
So it is raining a little bit today, but we have a really nice patio area, and you can step up here and see a good view. Jalen's taller than me, so he gets a better view of the city, but we're right downtown, so perfect view. And we like that our hangers for our clothes are like right under this little, I don't know what you call it.
Roof?
Yeah, it's a little roof, so that we can hang our clothes up. And then we also have an extended room. Right now, it's kind of like a storage room. We have like our laundry stuff, vacuum, our luggages, the couch, and all of this stuff, including the table, came with the apartment. But it's still very spacious. We're probably gonna film a lot in here.
Yeah, this is gonna be like our film room. We're gonna move a lot of stuff around.
A lot of room, 'cause
yeah,
we can do so much stuff in here.
Your workout room?
Workout room, guest room.
Any Zoom room.
Yeah.
Right here, and then you can see a great view of the city of Aveiro. So guys, that was our apartment. Let us know what y'all think of the apartment. It's not really that big. It's the perfect size for just us.
Yeah.
Do you think? Yeah.
I love it. I feel like even though it's pretty small, it's perfect. Like, it's very spacious for just two people.
Yeah, this
especially
is all you
since
need.
we have another room. We have a whole other room out there.
Yeah, I'm grateful. We got a kitchen, we got a bathroom, we got a bed, we got a roof, we got a table. So it's really all you need. So
And it's a really good location.
Really
We're near
good
a lot
location.
of like shopping areas, food, the park.
Again, thanks to everybody who watched this video. Let us know what you think about the new place. We're excited. It's a new chapter. Let us know what videos you want to see in the future. And until next time, peace out.